Hi there, once again it's me Trash. I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy way on how to green screen things into your stream. Just a warning, there will be a bright flash of green on your screen. You have been warned. So we're going to go down here to the plus. We're going to add media source. I've already got one installed, but you can go and find plenty to download over on YouTube. Let's call this GS buffer because it will be the buffer. Let's press OK, and I'm going to browse and find it. Sorry for the green. Gonna loop it, go. Alright, now that I've gotten it hidden so you guys aren't being blinded, I'll show you what I did. I put it on loop so you guys will be able to see it once I've actually got this going. You may or may not want your stuff to loop. Down here you can also close file when it is inactive. That may be helpful for saving processes on your computer. Okay, now we're gonna go to filters. Go down here to the effects filters, not audio. And we're gonna go up to chroma key. Now for this particular one, I don't need to adjust any of the settings, but you may need to depending on what you use. So you might need to mess around with this a bit. I can't help you specifically because every green screen thing is going to be different. So now if I press close and I show it, you'll be able to see it now. I really hope you guys found that helpful, and if you have any suggestions for anything else that you would like to see done, simply ask or leave a comment, tweet at me, anything like that. Take it easy, everyone.
Oh, goodbye! I'm not doing anything. My people need me.
Bye, mouse.
What's happening? What's happening?